Unlock your potential as a freelance researcher in the AI-driven era. This video will guide you through building a profitable niche, leveraging AI tools for deep market insights, and offering high-ticket research services to businesses and entrepreneurs. We'll cover everything from niche selection and competitor analysis to creating a strong online presence and securing high-value clients. Mastering these strategies will be the key to success in this rapidly evolving landscape. Let's transform your research skills into a lucrative career. First, specialize. Use AI research tools like MarketMuse or SimilarWeb to gain a deep understanding of a specific industry. Let's say, sustainable energy. Second, craft a unique value proposition, AI-driven insights for renewable energy. Third, establish a professional online presence, a website, and LinkedIn profile showcasing your expertise. Fourth, actively network and prospect. Finally, offer tiered research services from one-off reports to retainer agreements. Competition is fierce, with established research firms and in-house teams. However, your agility and the power of AI give you an edge. Focus on specialized, high-value insights. Build strong client relationships by demonstrating your expertise and delivering tangible results. Continuously monitor industry shifts and adapt your services accordingly. Your success hinges on the reliability of your AI tools. Updates and algorithm changes can impact accuracy, requiring you to stay informed and adaptable. Invest in training and continuously learn new techniques to ensure your insights remain cutting edge. Embrace experimentation and feedback to refine your approach. High-ticket research services, competitor analysis, market trend reports, opportunity assessments command premium fees. Develop a pricing strategy aligned with the value you deliver. Ongoing retainer fees provide predictable revenue streams. Scale your business by hiring a team or outsourcing tasks. Don't just sell data, provide actionable intelligence. Combine your research with strategic recommendations to guide your clients' decision-making. Build trust by being transparent, accountable, and delivering exceptional results. Continuous upskilling is critical in the AI-driven research landscape. Ready to take the leap? AI-powered research is the future of information. This video has provided you with the tools and knowledge to launch a successful freelance research career. Start building your niche, leveraging AI, and offering high-ticket services today. Transform your expertise into a thriving business.